Alright, welcome back. So now I'm going to be doing part 2 of our experiment today. It is the exponential decay part. So the last video showed exponential growth. So the number of pieces of paper were increasing every time I made a cut. Okay. Now we're going to be doing the opposite. So think decay as decreasing, right? So you're going to see the same pieces of paper. Okay. I'm going to start off with the 6 pieces of paper. I am going to throw away 2 pieces at a time every round until I reach 0. Then the second time I do the table, I'm going to throw away half of the pieces where I start off with 32 pieces. And I'm just going to be throwing away half each time. So make sure that you are filling out the table as we go through. Alright, so now let's go ahead and start our experiment. So I'm going to start off with table 1, and these are my 6 pieces of paper here. And this is the one where I'm going to throw away 2 pieces at a time. So, round 1, 2 pieces. I now have 4 pieces left over, so mark that in your table. Round 2, throw away another 2. So now I have a total of 2 pieces left. Now round 3, I throw away 2. And I have a total of 0 pieces left. So make sure you mark that in your table. Now I have my 32 pieces, and I'm going to be throwing away half each time. So if I start off with 32 pieces, how many pieces am I now going to be throwing away? Well, if I'm throwing away half, I'm throwing away 16 pieces right now into that trash can. So by the end of round 1, I should have 16 pieces left over. Now for round 2, I throw away half again. But remember, this time I start off with 16. So half of 16 is going to be 8 pieces that I'm going to be throwing away right now. So when I add up all my pieces, I have 8 left over. Round 3. Again, I'm throwing away half. But I had 8 this time. So how many am I throwing away? 4. For my 4th round, throw away half. So I throw away 2. Then I have 2 left. But I threw away half, so I have 1. Well, I'm going to continue to throw away half each time. So I only have half left. But then I need half of a half, which is now 0.25. And if I continued going through the rounds, I'm just going to take that piece of paper and half it every time. So if I kept on going and I kept on cutting that in half and half and half again, do you think I will ever reach 0? The answer is no. Technically, I would not. I could get super close to 0, and technically I can't keep halving that piece of paper because it's so small for my hands, but theoretically I could keep on halving until the end. So make sure to continue filling out that table, make sure to answer your questions, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email one of your teachers. Have a great day.